Did you know that you can change your Facebook personal account to a professional account where you start earning money? In this video, I am going to show you how. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, give a like. So we dive in to change our personal account into a professional account. Let's go. So you come to your profile. See, my profile is here. And you click on your profile. When you're using a phone, it will be different. Let me show you first. Because I'm using a Apple, see these three dots here? They're the ones that you click. But when you're using a phone, you find the three dots somewhere here. Here. But here, they are here. So you click these three dots, you come to professional, turn off. Here, turn off. It's turn off because I'm already turned on. So when you come here, you continue. When you continue, you'll find when you turn off professional mode, you see they tell me review what changes and what stays the same when you turn off your professional mode. What changes? Any of your existing sites will no longer be available. You will receive pending payment, but you won't earn any money on your profile when professional mode is turned off. You will no longer have access to professional dashboard or any professional mode tools. You see, who can follow me settings will be set to friends, so only your friends can follow you. You will lose any followers who are not your friends. No, you see the disadvantages. You can regain your followers by turning on professional mode again. Not everyone will be able to tag you. Your tags will remain on your profile. What stays the same? Your current friends and profile content won't change. If you change your mind, you can turn on professional mode again. So I'm not turning off because of this. So I was just showing you. So when you come, if you've not turned on, you come and find turn on here, and then you will turn it on. So now because you're not turning off, we go back, we close. So when you come back, now you see here, professional dashboard. So this one will always be here. After you turn the professional mode, it is not that after turning, you start turning immediately. No, there are things that you must make. You must have 5,000 followers, and you must not have any copyright or strike, because even here on Facebook, there are rules and that you shouldn't keep. Guidelines, Facebook guidelines. No copyright, and post your original content. Don't bring content from other platforms with their logos. You can bring them, but without the logo. Facebook doesn't like that. On professional dashboard, you click, now you can see where you'll be seeing your inside, everything. This is what you've posted in the last 28 days. It's just like from January 21 to Feb 17. That is your, we have the written, supposed to be written somewhere here. So it's just like YouTube. It will already show you what you posted the last, let's see, you see the last 28 days, yeah? The last 28, see, the last 28 days what you posted. Here you have the views. Here you have the percentage of the views. This is the views. You see, they are going up. Here, 1 minute views. This is 3 second views. This is views for 28 days. This one's total. Then you come down here. Here and down here you have views by content. Reels give me the most views, followed by text, followed by photos, others, multiple photos, and multimedia. Yeah. Views by followers for non-followers. Followers are the ones that watch me the most, and Non-followers, they are the second. You come to audience. Here, audience. First, I have 2,741 total followers. Net audience 15. For the last 28 days, 2 unfollowed. It's normal. How people find me? People find me through feed, through reels, through groups, through page, through stories, and available. I don't know which one is that. See, feeds 52. 29 is the feed, reels 32, and groups 521. That's how they follow me. Then here we have age. Age, we have 20 women in blue, and age and gender. Gender, women, men, blue and blacks. This one, I think they're 50-50. This one, they're 50-50. Hey, all of them, it's like they're 50-50. But here, 55 to 64 women are the most. Even 65 women are the most. Please look the same anyway. Age 25 to 34, it is 35.8%. 35 to 44 is 28.2%. 18 to 24 is 12.3%. 45 to 54 is 11.4%. 65, 9.6, 55 to 64, 2%. So my most viewers are 25. Those who relate to my content are 25 to 34 and 35 to 44. Country. The country that watches me the most is Kenya, 88.6%, United States 3.3%, South Africa 2.4%, Argentina 0.8%, Australia 0.8%, and Cameroon 0.8%. Even on YouTube, still Kenya and United States follow each other. Cities in Kenya that follow me: Nairobi, the most, 58.7%. Meru, hey, I was born in Meru, 12%. Wow. Mombasa Coast Province, this is where I live. I live in Mombasa and I have 12%. So Meru and Mombasa, they share 12% each. Chuka 4%, Eldoret 2.7%, and Kisii, Nyanza 2.7%. Wow. The engagement here. This is the engagement. We have engagement overview. The engagement is 2,695. That is 79% from the previous 28 days. Everything is 28 days like always you see on YouTube. I think they all do the same. So I have 603 reactions, 300 comments, and 3 shares. That is for the last 28 days. Reactions by content. Reels gets the highest reaction, text, other, photos, front link, wow, and multimedia. By interaction type. Interaction 66.6 reactions, 33.1 comments, and shares 0.3. By followers versus non-followers, non-followers, wow, non-followers are the ones that react most, 61%, and 39 followers. I didn't see that. My followers only watch without, because in the inside, followers are the ones who watch them, but they don't react. The followers are the ones that react the most. Wow. These are the content that I posted previous version. You see this live, I was teaching you the other day how to go live on Facebook Faceless. This is the live. By the way, I understand I will delete it, but I'm not deleting it. It has views and it has engagement. Here, my previous videos, I share on Facebook so that people can watch. By the way, I started with this one to share on Facebook. Because before I used to share and people never used to turn when I was starting my channel. But I've decided, why not try again? So nowadays, I started the other day. I said, anytime I post a video, I share it on Facebook to see. Or not, 1 or 2 people will come and watch. If don't have so much expectations. Always lower your expectations. You might think that when I post on my 2,741 followers will come and watch. Low expectations. If they come, it's okay. Thanks so much. See you in my next one. Bye bye.